Hey guys, happy Friday. Made it through week two, almost. We got some multiplying decimals to do today. I'm going to give you two examples uh, that we're going to I'll show you how to do on here. We'll do the first one, then we'll do one that's a little bit more work. First thing I want you guys to understand is these zeros that are in front of the decimal, we can get rid of those, all right? As long as they're not numbers, right? If there's just zeros, we can get rid of this and we can get rid of this. We don't need that, all right? It's just going to make for more work. So now when we do this problem, we'll have 9/10 times 7/10, okay? Oops. Times 7/10, okay? So then at that point, it's just doing 9 times 7, which is 63, and that is a wild looking 6. 63. Okay. The next big thing we've got to figure out is where our decimal goes. We do not bring it straight down. It's not like adding and subtracting what we just did. We need to count how many numbers are behind the decimal in the problem. So there's two. So in the answer, there needs to be two numbers behind the decimal. So my decimal would be 63 hundredths. Okay. Now, yes, it looks like they're in line there, but that is not how that decimal got there. So make sure you're counting how many numbers are behind the decimal here and matching that up with how many numbers are behind the decimal in your answer. So this answer for number one would be 63 hundredths. Now, looking at like a problem like number 8, where it's a little bit more work here, okay, we don't have to worry about this zero, and we don't have to worry about this zero, but now we've got 7/10 times 3 hundredths. All right, we always put the one that is longer with more digits on top. All right, so if I have a decimal and I'm doing 3 hundredths, all right, and I'm multiplying that by the decimal 7/10. Notice how I lined up the numbers and not the decimals, right? You're always going to have to line up the numbers here. All right, the decimal places don't always line up, and that's okay. All right, so then we solve this as 3 times 7 is 21. Put down my 1, carry my 2. Okay, 7 times 0 is 0, plus 2 is 2. Okay, so then I get 21 there. All right, now when I'm looking at where I have to place my decimal, yeah, I've got 1, 2, 3 numbers behind the decimal here. So I need 1, 2, 3 numbers behind my decimal here. But since there's nothing here, this becomes a 0, and the decimal goes there. So my answer would be 21 thousandths. All right. So then if we want to check on the bottom again to see that we have the correct answers, we've got 63 hundredths. And then also for number 8, we have the correct answer of 21 thousandths. Okay. I think those are the biggest tips that you guys need for getting through these activities today. It's Friday. I hope you guys get this done. Hopefully, it ends up being a beautiful day, and you guys get to go outside and have uh, a little time to yourselves in the backyard. All right. Good luck with everything. As always, if you need any help with anything, send me a message in the comments. All right. Take care, guys.